Okay, so this is what I'm wearing today. Oh, my face is about Hi everyone. So, welcome back to our channel and today Hi everyone. Everyone. So, welcome back to our channel and today we're going to the beach and everyone. Welcome back to our channel and today we're going to the beach. So I just woke up and got ready, so let's get dressed with me and let's go to the gym not gym, let's go to the beach together. And now I'm gonna get dressed, so I think I'm gonna wear these, so I'll get dressed and I'll come back and ignore my pimples. So this is my fit for today. I'm wearing the shorts and the shirt set and a t-shirt from inside. So I'll get my bag ready and I'll come back and see you guys again. Or maybe I'll take you guys with me. Babu.
Hi.
Say hi to our vlog.
Hello.
Mirror. Bag nikal do na.
Bag?
So I have something like, is it just me or everyone puts their bag in the box after they come back from a holiday or anything? Like, I always have to put my bag in the box. I'm just a girl. So this is what's going in my bag. One towel, our sheets, lip balm, sunscreen, swimwear and a bottle of water. And this is all going in my bag. And the bag is packed now. So another fit check with my bag. I'll get my hat. So another fit check, the final one. And my slippers. Okay, now let's go to the beach. So this is another thing I'm gonna put it in my bag. A sunscreen spray and my eye.
Hello.
मसँग छ
उयो चाहिन्थ्यो कि ज्याकेट स्याकेट हात दौरा छिर्न
I look like a Pikachu.
Pikachu?
Pikachu, you don't know Pikachu. Pikachu हुन्छ नि.
Can you tell me what is Pikachu?
Pikachu yellow color हुन्थ्यो नि एउटा त्यो कार्टुन क्यारेक्टर.
कुन कार्टुन?
Pikachu.
पोकेमोन कार्टुनको.
ए पोकेमोन. अनि shut up. अनि त्यसको हुन्छ नि गालामा सुम रातो रातो दुईटा गालामा. त्यस्तो भएको छ. सिकाउनेको
दामी क्या शीतल है
फेरि कङ्गारको ठाउँमा फेरि हामी ढलौँला वा कस्तो राम्रो के
अघिको कस्तो त्यो नेपालमा हामी होइन अस्ति काफल घुँडा सिक्नु जाँदा
स्मेल पनि के
के ज्याकेट लाएर पनि एउटा ऱ्यान्डम ज्याकेट उठाएर लाएर आएछ हाम्रो घर आएर यस्तो गोजीतिर यस्तो छाएको त पैसा निस्क्यो
हाई भन्नु हाई
हेलो
हेलो नमस्ते फ्याफुला
लासो
पानी भर्ने ठाउँ चाहिँ नरहेछ क्या
गाइजहरू हामी एउटा बिच भन्दै भन्दै दुईवटा बिच भेटेपछि तिनवटा बिच भयो पार्किङ एरियामा त्यो गएको हामी
just got done with the swimming and now heading back to home.